Hey, my name is Bogdan. I'm co-founder at Buntar Aerospace. We are reducing cost per unmanned reconnaissance mission.
Hello, my name is Volodymyr Nepil. I'm CTO and co-founder at Farsight Vision.
My name is Victoria. I'm a CEO and co-founder at Farsight Vision.
At Farsight Vision, we are doing geospatial analytics and awareness.
We are providing this for our end users in the front line to be able to do the simulation and scenario planning in 3D and VR.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm the representative of the Tough Drones company. I'm the business dev manager there, and we produce FPV drones. Also, we produce electronic warfare systems, reconnaissance drones, and other stuff like this. We have the innovation hub, and we are going to help our army for the victory.
My name is Vladislav Piotrovsky. I'm co-founder and CEO at Dwarf Engineering, and here we are doing pilots and drones invisible during the warfare, making them autonomous using AI.
Hello, my name is Tatiana Drobota. I'm CEO of LCCTS company from Ukraine. We produce and provide low-cost solutions that were tested on the battlefield.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm co-founder of Mudro. We neutralize 700 drones per week utilizing cyber attack. So the problem what we solve is actually saving life of our defenders.
My name is Alexey. I'm co-founder at Frontline, robotic company from Ukraine. We build short-range kinetic anti-drone defense systems.
Hi, I'm Mishra Dominsky, co-founder in Hymera. And in Hymera, we do the most relevant communication systems for the modern electronic warfare contested environment.
Hi, my name is Bohdan, and I'm a co-founder and CFO of Bravo Dynamics, our startup creating a technology and a product that fully resistant to electronic warfare weapons.
Being in such historic place was really valuable. SRI is the biggest, most not public organization, and all the inventions they did. It was really fantastic to see the place where a lot of things were born. And of course, talking to many talented and professional people who made a lot of insights to us on ITAR, on international procurement, on sales, on strategy, on business development. So all information we got was super valuable. It's very professional, really a very quick and concise deep dive into American defense infrastructure.
So the first very valuable thing for me was to be actually connected with the entire ecosystem here. I'm grateful for so many representatives from both SRI, incredible history, other founders, and especially those who we already made relationship with back in Ukraine. Like seeing how they operate here, being exposed to their experience, that's the most valuable thing for me personally.
There are not so many defense specialized programs, and I enjoy so much applicable information I received during these 2 weeks, especially when I talking with the peers, with the different startups, and exchange information, because it's all about knowledge and not all about implementation. And when we understand what's important, what could be skipped, it's accelerate your way as much as possible.
You know, we came here into the Silicon Valley and learned a huge amount of information and received really plenty of opportunities. We received, a lot of the access to the investors and people who are very keen on kind of helping us understand how the mindset of the Silicon Valley investor works, what they're looking for, how they make their decision, what we need to do with our business to kind of adapt. And I think this understanding is something you cannot really learn from afar from Ukraine. You need to be here, you need to talk to those people, and you need to change your mindset if you want to work with this, this classical Silicon Valley investors.
I think it was very important for us to understand how we need to position our company and how we collaborate with other companies that participated in the accelerator, and also how do we actually reach out to potential partners, strategic advisors, and potential clients and customers in the niches that we didn't think of.
We've got a huge experience and huge negotiation contact list with whom we would like to proceed our next expectations, our next communications. And I really believe that we will get crucial investments in our business for the entering of the US market in the future.
After seeing Gregory as a Berkeley lecturer, it was eye-opening for me how to structure the startup operations on the early stage from financial side.
The thing is that I understood for my product especially that I need to build the ecosystem and I need to look globally from the very first step of this. And now I have the roadmap and the milestones to make this happen.
For us, I think the outcome of this is going to be, we're planning to raise a round this year, a big round. We're going to most likely have a number of US-based investors. And I think this specific trip will be a very good base for our future fundraise, and a lot of the connections we build here are going to benefit our future fundraise.
This program has opened the new horizons for our startup. We met a lot of people, we met a lot of VCs, we built the new connections, and we find our customers here in SRI.
For me, it was really valuable to look on our work and see what kind of deep dive can we do to make better things, to move quicker, and to help Ukraine on a battlefield.
Being able to spend that much time focused with both Ukrainian and American founders, we see great matches for our air defense product with companies who do both counter EW, companies who distribute data, like Pick-a-Grid here from El Segundo. So our turret fits perfectly into this use case when we can apply together for both brands and local market opportunities.
Community.
Mind disrupting.
Sky is the limit.
It's negotiations.
Exciting.
Fantastic.
Lean.
Community.
It's complex.